Friday morning, December 1st, out here at Long Island City. Feeling a little sick, but I gotta come out here for some Blackfish going on to Marilyn Gene tomorrow. It's not a bad day. We got him coming tired. Let's see what's going on. My man over here already got a fish. Let's see what he got. Oh, we got a schoolie striped bass. He's on another striper. Wow. Watch yourself there.
Hold on. Let me in.
No, I got it.
Nice. Oh,
Woo.
nice.
Got a nice blackfish. Might not be a keeper, but got my skunk off.
Bro, good.
Got my skunk off.
That look like a keeper right there, son.
Nah, he's short.
That fat one that's in the video, bro.
No problem. That's it. No problem.
No problem.
Yeah.
Keeper?
Yeah.
Let's see. No, I don't think so. No. Let me take this off.
Son, I hope so.
Nah, I don't think so. He's short.
Still, the skunk is gone.
The skunk is gone. That's it.
That's a blessing for tomorrow's trip. That's what it is. We're coming back with some monsters.
Man, these guys' mouth is it's like leather. Their skin is like leather.
Yeah. Especially them fucking lips. Hold on. Let me...
You got it? There you go.
This look like the one on your video.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, yeah.
See the
white
The
spot.
spot.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, you saw that too?
Nope.
Yeah.
15 and a half.
How much?
15 and a half.
Oh, you mother, man. Damn,
All right.
sweet though. Sweet.
Got my skunk off. Blackfish going back.
Sweet, bro.
There you go, baby.
Huh? The fish there.
Yo, he made his own net, dude. That extends to 25 feet.
That's how you gotta do it, bro. Buy the poles yourself and make it.
There you are, a schoolie.
Schoolie day. Schoolie school.
Come here. Come here.
Schoolie striped bass going back. Nice one.
Super schoolie.
Oh my God. Brandon out with a schoolie.
Yeah.
Brothers in bait. That's what it is, bait.
Yeah.
Brandon's on, son. Tighten that drag, bro.
Bigger.
Yo, walk them this way. And walk them this way.
Oh. Come here.
Hold on.
You got a schoolie there.
小鹿崽子。
Hold on, let me. All right.
Bigger from
Thank
the...
you. Okay. Thank you. What are you saying?
Brandon schoolie striped bass.
Let's get a measurement real quick.
$17, $18.
20 and a half.
Wow. Yeah.
Nice.
Again, a little bigger. Hey, on a blower.
Yeah. Let's put them back. Slow down, buddy. I'm gonna free you. Wait. Relax. Try to.
Oh, there he goes. Can't pick him up.
Schoolie. Yo, but that's a whiting, right? Or perch? That's not a striper.
No, it's not a striper.
You know what it is?
Alright. Oh, schoolie striped bass. I've been out here like 3 hours. I got a 15 and a half. Broke my skunk, that's what counts. I'm out here, I have fun. With brothers and baits.
Tomorrow's another day. Stay tuned, baby.
Marilyn G tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Get some blackfish. The guys got some nice striped bass. And we out. Till next time. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.